Neuroscience is a very interdisciplinary field, so that means that a lot of doors are open for students in terms of career. Currently, we have a lot of students that are interested in pursuing medicine or other health-related careers. The neuroscience degree also prepares students to work in a variety of research laboratories, like either the government or a university or a private lab. Students may also be interested in pursuing public health or science policy.
Well, I decided to study the sciences here at Monmouth because in high school, biology was always my strong suit. And when I came on my visit, I met with multiple of the staff members in the science department, and it was just a lot better than some of the other colleges I was looking at. They were a lot more approachable.
My interactions and relationships with the students have been great. They're really excited to learn about the biology of behavior. They were really excited to learn how to use another model organism.
The roundworms were very easy to work with because they're such a model organism, so it made it really easy to understand the systems that are going on.
We're going to be testing glucose toxicity, which is basically just going to be glucose in a bath, putting the worms in it and seeing how they react to it. We know it's a negative impact on it, and so we'd like to see if that negative impact will also affect like locomotor functions like movement, how it reacts to things.
The research opportunity here was amazing in cell biology because, again, I got to work with a microscope pretty much every single day of lab. And like I said, because I want to be a microbiologist, working with a microscope and tuning those skills is something that, is necessary and was really important to have.
Big class sizes do scare me away. I mean, I just feel like I'm not going to ask questions, and I need to ask questions to learn things, and I have to be hands-on to learn things. So being hands-on in a small class and having a really good one-on-one relationship with your professor is key.
I think a big advantage for Monmouth students is the amount of hands-on learning they get, so both inside and outside the classroom. So for example, we have a lot of students that participate in one-on-one research with a faculty member. They got a lot of experience designing experiments, analyzing data, so a lot of translatable skills that they could take into a variety of career paths.